Hello, techies. Alright, we are in lab 2.6.10 and we're going to explore physical connectivity 1. In this lab, you explore different methods of troubleshooting network communications, problems that may result from such things as bad network cards and cables while troubleshooting. You will use the ping command and the link and network connectivity light on the network card and switches and the Windows settings app. Use exhibit to see the network diagram and wiring schematics of the network as needed. View the current state of first 6 ports on the Cisco switch and its accompanying patch panel. Use networking closet, select hardware, and from the top right, select questions. Answer questions 1. Minimize the lab. Still determine which computers are plugged into port 1 and 3 from the Cisco patch panel and find the cables. Answer. Okay, so this is a table. Office 1 admin, IT admin, and being successful or not. Answer question 5 and 6. Okay, so from the taskbar, right click the network icon and select network and internet settings. And let's see, below select Ethernet icon. You're now shown details about your network connection. From the hardware view of the IT admin, check for network connectivity and activity by viewing the network card link. From the top left, select IT administration and the network activity is blinking, including light match. And from the executive operating system, connect office and select settings, select network and internet. Who is not connected? Executive office hardware, Ethernet cables, and examine its link light. Possible causes for no connectivity include a faulty or disconnected cable from executors. Possible drag the Ethernet cable from its existing location, and click on Windows 11. So we have quite a number of tasks here, and task 10. These are the details for task 10. Task 11, from the hardware view of Office 1, check for network connectivity. Office 12, test the network cable for. Okay, so let's see, from wiring closet, test the network patch cable for Office 1 from the Office 1 overview. Okay, alright, tests. Okay, alright, so we'll have the details here. So let's go ahead and start a lab. So we start lab, and in case this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to be as fast as possible so that this video won't be too long for you all. Okay, so we'll just wait for the lab to load. It has loaded. So task 1 says, okay, so from task 1 we'll go into the networking closet, and let's scroll up and see, maximize this. Alright, so this let's see. Alright, so question 1 says port 3, 4, 5, and this port 4, 5, and 6. And for question 3, which of the following ports and Cisco switch are plugged in port 4? So this is going to be here's it here. It's going to be port 1, 3, 1 and 3. So 2 is omitted, and okay, so let's see. Executive and Office 1. IT admin workstation using the IP address shown below. Okay, so let's go into IT admin and let's go into terminal and let's ping 192.168.0.10, 192.168.0.14, 192.168.0.10, 192.168.0.5, 192.168.192.128, no, 198.198.2.8.56.17, ping 161.178.1.1, and so this timed out. This ping successful, this unreachable, and let's answer the question that follows. So it says there's gonna be call for, nope, it's gonna be Office 1, Executive, and yeah, what the results of the last ping test that you have had a network selected. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Go back to Office. Let's go back to Office 1 hardware and go into the, let's see, let's go into the Office 1 Executive Office and network adapters. Let's go into it. So we're going to connect this here, and we're going to plug this in here and plug this other end here, and let's see. Plug this end here and plug this other end here. Okay, so let's go into the Office overview again, and this time around we're going into the Executive Office hardware, and let's go into the laptop. Nope, not yet. Let's unplug this here, and let's see, from tags. Okay, from Office 1 test, and Office 1 Office, ping the following devices 192.168.0.30. Okay, so let's go into the Office 1 hardware, and we're going to terminal. We're going to ping 192.163.178.1.1, and we, okay, so as answer the question. Let's see. Let's see. What do the results of the last ping test tell you about the network? Okay, the network card was bad, and the system successfully pinged are functioning. Two workstations do not have access to network, and that is all. So if this video was helpful to you in any way, remember to share in other platforms so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.